Hey everybody, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, I just wanted to do the quick unboxing for you. This is my Posh box that I received today in the mail. So when you get your Posh shipment, it will look just like this, perfectly posh, and it will say, "You deserve to be pampered." Okay, because you do. And I just want to share with you some of the summer fun products that we are launching. Actually, they came out on Tuesday. I just received my first shipment today, Friday, and I ended up ordering more stuff later on, so I'm probably going to get that tomorrow. So the first thing I want to show you is called All Set. This contains coconut water and coconut juice, and it is a coconut makeup setting spray. So it is phenomenal. I've already used it already. It comes with a little cap on it in two pieces when you order it, so that it's sealed like this, and then you just put your little cap in it, your little sprayer, and it comes in a 3-ounce, so you can use this on your carry-on, and you will just use it to set your makeup, and it feels so refreshing. I mean, it's getting late, and this is kind of waking me up. It's actually 10:45, so I just wanted to get this little video out for everybody, but I wanted to let you know that this is one of our fun mermaid themed products for the summer. The second product I wanted to show you that I got is called Oh My Shell. It is so much fun. This is one of our snarky bars. And our snarky bars are a shea butter bar. I'm going to start coughing here. Excuse me. Filled with sugar beads for a great exfoliating type of bar. It's a great mix. This one has melon and citrus, seaweed, and algae. And it is green, and it smells so good. I can smell it through the package. So it smells like a fresh bowl of fruit is what it smells like. So this is called Oh My Shell. If you have any questions for me about any of the products I'm going to show you, please send me a message, and I would be happy to go over them with you. Also, if you hit the subscribe button, that would be great. Or if you hit the little bell too, that would be phenomenal, and then you'll know the next time I do a video, and you won't miss any of my videos. So anyway, the next product that I got in the shipment is called Trop the Beat. So kind of like drop the beat, but trop the beat. So this is hibiscus and a pineapple scent. We had the same scent last summer in a body scrub, and it was called You Had Me at Aloha. So this is now the new body balm. So this is a coconut oil body balm, again in the scent of hibiscus and pineapple. And this stuff is just, I love the coconut body balms. You can use them for just about anything. I use them from hair, like a hair mask moisturizer, to my cuticles, my elbows, to putting it on when I get right out of the shower. Okay, I don't know why this just did that, but I'm going to keep talking, and hopefully y'all can see me. Okay, so that was so weird. I just had something pop up on my screen. So that is Trop the Beat. It's a coconut oil body balm. Last season we had it, and it was called All Is Balm, and it was in the scent of this was just a coconut body balm, but I have the one that it's the same size as this. This is a sample, but I use it all the time in my hair. So it's really great stuff. Other one is, and I was teasing you guys with a picture before, and it's called Beach Blanket. These are big fat yummy hand creams, and they have apricot kernel oil in them, and that is a really great super hydrating ingredient that we carry in our big fat yummy hand creams. It helps so that when you put on your lotion and you go wash your hands, that it doesn't just wash off right away. They are paraffin and lanolin free, which is another amazing perk, I guess you could say, when you use Perfectly Posh products. This one is Beach Blanket. It has vanilla, coconut, and citrus. And let me tell you, the stuff was like flying off the shelves last summer. So get it while you can. And again, it's like being at the beach. It smells so good. And I ordered 2 of them for myself. So I would be happy to order for you as well. You can either go to my website, which is www.poshlypamperedwithjen.com, or you can reach out to me, and I can send to you from my inventory. Perfectly Posh now accepts PayPal, so that is something that's fabulous. So I encourage you to check out the website. There's so many things that we have now, different products that you might be interested in. Send me a message if you have any questions. Another product that I received in my little box of items that I ordered is Honey Honey. This is a body lotion, and it's pretty thick. This is for my son because he loves this stuff. It smells like honey, but it's very moisturizing, and it's not at all greasy. And that's the same with our hand creams. They're not greasy at all, which is nice. So this is the Honey Honey. He doesn't know I ordered it. I kept telling him I was going to order it for him, and I finally did, so he'll be really happy about that. So again, if you have any questions, if you're wanting to get the new catalog when I get it in, I should either get it in tomorrow or Monday. Just send me a message. I would love to send you a copy. I'd love to send you a copy of the core catalog too. Chances are you may have not got one from me. If you have, that's awesome. I encourage you to take a minute and look through it to see all the products that Perfectly Posh has to offer. If you have received the core catalog from me and you got last season's spring catalog and you're interested in seeing the summer catalog, I would love to send that to you too. And I encourage you to reach out, and I'll send you the catalog and you can take a look through that. Again, I love sharing Perfectly Posh with you. A lot of you are my close friends that I've known forever, and I'm just sharing with you the things that I love, or actually a few things that I love, and Perfectly Posh and these items that I showed you tonight are just that. So I have a ton of samples. This is my sample box, okay? I've got a trillion samples in here. So if you are wanting a sample, reach out. I would love to send you something. Let me know what you're interested in, whether it's a mask or a body balm or a lotion or a hand cream or a body scrub. You let me know and I can send it out to you. Thanks for watching. Have a great night or day. Depends on when you're watching this. Thanks.